Sekuphele iminyaka abantu abaningi bakuleli bedlala izitokofela njengendlela ehamba phambili yokonga imali. Njengoba usuphethwa nje unyaka, iningi libheke ukuthola inzuzo eliyenzile. Isitokofela i-Riches sithi ithe xaxa imali esiyenzile kulonyaka njengoba bebaningi abantu ababeyingxenye yaso kanti baqoqe imali engaphezulu kwegidi ezimbili.
The majority of our members are middle class, upper middle class citizens. So what I've realized is that because we couldn't travel, people had more money to save. Because there was fear of people losing jobs because the economy was shrinking, people saved a little bit more.
Isitokofela iMasedi Education sasungulelwa ukubhekana nenkinga yemali yesikole njengoba kuhlasele iCovid-19. Inhloso yaso ukuqongelela imali ezosiza ukukhokha imali yeingane esikoleni.
The uptake was quite amazing, right? I mean, at any given time, to date we've been able to raise up to 1.3 million in just over a year.
Esinye isitokofela esidla ubhedu ileso soqongolela imali yokwakha indlu nesibizwa ngesakhisiwe property. Umsunguli waso uthi unyaka u2020 wawumuhle kakhulu kubo.
Last year was actually our best year, especially when COVID hit, because I think people were at home, so they were bored. So we're doing a lot of webinars at the time. So we really managed to reach a lot of people, whereas before we used to do actual physical events. So with physical events, you only have the people in the room, whereas with, doing lives or doing Zoom sessions, you've got a wider reach. And also because people were sitting at home and also just wanting that additional income, I think people also realized, the dangers of relying on only one source of income, which is your salary, because you never know where that income will come to a stop.
Nakuba kwezinye izitokofela kuhambe kahle, kepha ke inselelo ezifana nabanye abangakhokhi ngesikhathi nyanga zonke, ukufaka izicelo zokuthola le mali kanye nokulahlekelwa imisebenzi kube nomthelela omubi kwezinye izitokofela.